Hello everyone. Now I want to show to you how we can connect to org and how we can create a project in VS Code. And let's go. Before starting that, I think you have some projects and connected to org, but we will create a new one from the right click on the VS Code and on the icon and the new window. After opening that, be sure that there is no any folder. It must be any. It must not be any folder inside of that. We didn't create, and the other thing, we didn't open it. Just from here, there's no any connection, okay, to the org, and there's no any extension. For this, we are going to command palette. You know that Control Shift P on the Windows, and we are going here to create a manifest. If you want to create a project, you are clicking the Create Project with Manifest. And as you see here, there is no any folder. If you created the manifest, it will edit some default files and folders in here, okay? And with the command palette, okay, create, let's say, manifest. It is manifest, create project with manifest. After clicking that, some seconds, it's waiting, activating extension, and then you will click the standard. And the project name, it's asking to you, for example, as a project name, let's say test project. And after pressing enter, okay, where you want to create it, okay? For example, I want to create on the desktop, and let's create here the new folder, test, as you see from here, tests, and click the test here, create project. And it's asking to you, trusting these authors? Yes, definitely. After creating the manifest, you see here the folders and files. And previous video, I showed to you how you can create the Apex execute anonymous from the Hello Apex in here in Apex folder. And the next process is connecting the author and authorization of the org. And for this reason, we are going to command palette again, and we are typing here authors authorization, but it should be SFDX, but it didn't come yet. Just we are waiting a little bit. Okay, let's go to command palette again. Sometimes it's coming a little bit late. Okay, just I'm writing here SFDX and authorization. Authorize an org, it should be here, but we are waiting a little bit. Okay, as you see, some changings we see here. Let's go to again SFDX authorize an org. And after clicking that authorize an org, and oops, some login issue, I think. Let's try again. Oh, okay, maybe we should wait this no default org set. And let's try again here, command palette. Just type authorize and okay, that's it. Okay, that's normal. And before coming this no default org set, we see this message. Okay, and the project default, and our project name is, let's say, tests project. Okay, I don't know, org, test project org. Okay, after pressing enter, you know that authorizing an org. After then you will see the changing from here. And but you have to go to create your org, and okay, just click the here. Okay, just I could do it through one. It means in one org, authorized org, we created one project. As you wish, you can create more projects in one org, okay? And here, it's ready to use. So if I minimize it, everything is normal, successful running, and that's it. And if you want, you can change the org Okay, you can open it org from here, directly from here. It's going to your org, which I opened before, the same thing. Okay, and the other one is the project. If you click that, I used this org for practice A to C, A to Z, developer practice A to Z, and for the test project org, like with us, we did. And in this Visual Studio Code, we used also did the other one. Okay, that's it. We created, we can use our org with this project. And the next thing is, if I remember that, oh, for example, in your org, if you want to retrieve the components from org, for example, objects and, for example, data validations and triggers and other things, with the package .xml, you can see your classes, components, and test suites, triggers, everything is inside that. If you want to get these information directly, you will click on site, on this site, retrieve source in manifest form org. Let's do it. It's retrieving, and after that, you will see if we have anything. But I created this org new. Because of that, it's not showing anything. Okay. Yeah, that's it. I think it will be good for you. See you.